Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to live stream your mobile game on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app. Now go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Once your profile opens, tap the three lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select TikTok Studio. Inside TikTok Studio, click on the Live section. Now tap on the Go Live option. If you want to start a normal live stream, you can go live directly from here. But if you want to live stream a mobile game, slide the options at the top and select Mobile Gaming. Next, add an attractive live title to grab attention. Then select your game from the list. Everything ready? Now click the Go Live button. That's it. Your mobile game live stream has started. If you face any issues or the live option is not showing, make sure to follow and send me a DM. I'll help you out. See you in the next video.